Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ozone Metaverse token. Ticker symbol is Ozone. Now this token was supposed to be listed on Mexc Global July 24th. Then it got postponed a little bit, so it's going to be listed on there soon. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, it said July 24th, this token was supposed to be listed on Mexc Global, and I believe a couple other exchanges as well. And there was a tweet from Mexc that Ozone Metaverse retweeted, and it says, Mexc will postpone the listing of the Ozone token until further notice, as requested by the Ozone Metaverse official project team. And then there's the tweet from Ozone Metaverse. You can follow them on Twitter at Ozone Metaverse, pretty easy to find. It says, to enable fluid deposit of token to your wallet and handling the token distributions overall to several thousands of wallets, coordinating with market maker and central exchanges, we have postponed the listing for just a few days. Most likely trading will begin this week around the 26th. So today is going to be the 26th, so it's going to be listed very soon. And they should be tweeting about it if you just follow at Ozone Metaverse. So it says TGE underway, big milestones, as token is coming live this week to Mexc Global, and then soon to Bitmart Exchange as well, OKX, Binance, and BitGet Global. But it looks like Mexc is the first one. So as soon as it gets listed on Mexc, how you would get this token is, well, first of all, if you don't have an account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Ozone, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, if you want to find all the information about the Ozone Metaverse project and their token, go over to ozone-metaverse.gitbook.io/whitepaper. That's where you can find all of the info. Big document section. It says the spatial computing cloud, full infrastructure and game engine for the 3D decentralized metaverse. The new immersive internet revolution needed a new graphics engine for interoperability, so we built it into Unify Web 2 and Web 3. So, why Ozone is the first section here, and it says it's a fully managed platform for building the metaverse, the building blocks of the metaverse, enabling the next generation applications. So the Web3 powered metaverse is the next generation digital frontier. The 3D worlds will replace user interfaces, while the blockchain will enable a new class of digital assets, ownership, and ultimately a secure decentralized data layer, which will enable true decentralized ownership of the next web. So far, it has been notoriously hard and burdensome to build interactive 3D worlds or applications. Ozone provides easy-to-access infrastructure and tooling to enable instant virtual worlds at internet scale. So the competitive landscape, it says using game engines to build the metaverse does not scale. That is why the Ozone platform is a metaverse native platform built from the ground up. So Ozone Metaverse provides a new engine and infrastructure, builds tools via Ozone Studios and SDK, and marketplaces to bootstrap vibrant economy in the metaverse and empower creators. Follow the links to understand full infrastructure. So they have the engine and infrastructure section, Ozone Studios and SDK section, and the Ozone Marketplace section as well. So the Ozone Marketplace is going to be a new creator hub. You can buy and sell opportunities powered by NFTs. So yeah, creators keep most of the revenue, with Ozone only collecting a small platform fee. So there is a roadmap on here as well. So the Ozone roadmap, there's a lot involved with this project. So it starts with stage 1, incorporation, core engine development, event solution, avatar system 1.0, live streaming, networking, and shopping interface. Then we have the Metaverse engine activation stage, which is going to be launch of Web3 developments, graphics engine 1.0, community launch, pre-seed and seed token raises, build out of assets library, enhancement of animation and lighting systems, community events and partnerships. Then we have the next phase, 3D NFT engine development. So you upgraded UI design, introduction of Flow blockchain, 3D NFT engine and platform engineering, demos of additional features, and then we have the alpha launch. So first concept districts, NFT virtual real estate, new partnerships and investments, start of the marketplace development, IP and technological partnerships, new network infrastructure deployment, upgraded video and audio streaming, vehicle systems engineering. Then the next phase is going to be introduction of platform products, education, events, ads, advancement of avatar system 3.0, wearable system for metaverse fashion, district upgrades, equity fundraising, community hub activation, and then the last phase, listing of the Ozone token. So that's where we're at right now. Then marketplace opens up for creators, DAO development begins, so you're going to have voting rights by holding the token. Expansion of the virtual real estate solution, then staking, you'll be able to stake the token. Access to owners in their lands, and event solutions, educations, and ads product launching. So they do have a section about DAO as a service, the awesome utility token. So you could use the token for marketplace currency like trading NFTs, all that type of stuff. Ads in the world, so you can build ads and things like that within the metaverse. DAO and DeFi, governance and earn. And then there's frequently asked questions, community links to socials, all sorts of stuff on here. Check it out, ozone-metaverse.gitbook.io/white paper. And you can find this token listed this week on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.